Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to replace the smart key battery in Lexus GX550. So first we'll have to push right here and remove the physical key. Next you will see a small slot approximately right here. We will insert the tip of the physical key into this slot, and then guys we'll need to twist, and this will open the key, and right here guys you will see the battery. Now you guys can use a piece of plastic or tool like this, trim removal tool, and pry the battery approximately in this area, and the battery will come out. The type is CR2032. Install the new battery, push it in, then push this section back into the key and reinstall the physical key. Our installation is complete.